Company profile: creating value and excellence. Zhenjiang ARAN Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturing company for road machinery. It focuses on the research and development of road machinery products for more than 30 years and has accumulated rich experience in the design and manufacture of road machinery. The company has strong technical force, exquisite manufacturing process, and rich management experience. On the basis of inheriting the technology of original Zhenjiang road machinery products, the company has further developed and continuously improved product performance and quality. The company adhering to the all for the sake of users, the purpose according to user needs to provide customized equipment services. Based on the advanced foreign technology combined with actual conditions of domestic road construction, the company has continuously improved and perfected its product design and has formed a series of paver and mixing equipment product groups, as well as the ability to develop new types of mechanical products. With its leading technology and innovative spirit, reliable quality and service guarantee, the company markets its products worldwide. In China, Africa, Eastern Europe, India, Latin America, the Middle East, Russia, and Southeast Asia, Zhenjiang ARAN builds a beautiful future for every corner of the globe. AHT 3750, 6000, 8000 slipform concrete paver are designed with full hydraulic drive, centralized computer control with real-time monitoring and self-diagnostic capabilities, and auto-leveling and tracing systems. This innovative, advanced, and practical machine of high standard is a key specialty equipment for the construction of high-speed railway and concrete road. AHT 3750, 6000, 8000 are suitable for the construction of China's high-speed railway hydraulic support layer and concrete road, and operable for the construction of hydraulic activity supporting cores and concrete road. Simultaneous operation of hydraulic activity supporting cores, scraping, vibrating, tamping, and extruding at the same time. Full hydraulic independent drive, microcomputer with display and self-diagnostic capability. Auto-leveling and tracing systems to ensure paving flatness, straightness, and smoothness at road bends. Ergonomically designed with smart controls for operational comfort and ease. Imported key components to ensure machine reliability and prolonged service life of the paver. Slipform concrete paver working principle. The truck unloads the concrete in front of the auger spreader of slipform paver. The slipform paver moves forward at a certain working speed and all working mechanisms start to work. The auger spreader separates the stacked concrete along the left and right directions and distributes the concrete evenly in front of the strike-off plate. The height of the strike-off plate can be adjusted hydraulically. With it, the concrete will be scraped to the required pre-paving thickness. Then, after the high-frequency hydraulic vibrators are inserted into concrete to vibrate at a certain frequency, the air in the concrete will be exhausted and the pores will be eliminated. In this way, the ideal compaction effect of concrete can be achieved, and a slurry pool layer with a certain thickness will be formed on the surface. With the advancing of the paver finally, the smooth molding will be completed. Enterprise overview. ARAN Company is located in Zhenjiang City, Jiangsu Province, one of the famous historical and cultural cities in China. Zhenjiang is located in the Golden Waterway of the Yangtze River, the superior geographical position of dense network of highways and railways, and profound cultural advantages. Strengthening international communication, the enterprise has made great progress. ARAN Company, in the inheritance of the original Zhenjiang road machinery products on the basis of technology, constantly improve product performance and quality. The coverage of 3D computer-aided design technology has reached 100% with strong independent innovation and development ability and has a number of authorized patents. It provides reliable quality assurance for the mass production of high-tech road machinery. and also provides necessary conditions for the research and development of new products, experimental work, and high-tech industrialization of products. Through shared cooperation and integration and reorganization, ARAN Company strengthens its staying power, comprehensively improves its comprehensive strength, and forms a new leap-forward development mechanism. ARAN Company will be in line with the enterprise concept of creating value for users, enhance the core competitiveness of the enterprise, in order to achieve the new leap of Zhenjiang ARAN Machinery Company Limited. Action Guidelines: highly maintain team cohesion, give full play to team spirit, take scientific and technological innovation as a powerful driving force, give full play to technical advantages, innovate marketing methods, make special and exquisite features, make Zhenjiang ARAN Machinery level to a higher level.